Hello everyone, Namaskar Kutum. I'm Sonakshi and I welcome you all on our YouTube channel Exploring Kutum. We practice Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that means this entire world is our family. Hands in hands, we make the world. So today I'm going to make a video on the country that I love the most. I respect all the other countries, but I love my country. So today I'm going to discuss this very interesting thing that foreigners find weird or strange, but we don't find it weird because it's an habit, it's an culture. If we don't do this, people find it rude. And what am I talking about? Do you have any idea? If not, then I'm talking about this. Head bobbling, shaking of heads. So people think, do we have spring in our neck or cervical? No, it's not like this. But it's an habit, it's a culture. If we are not doing this, then people might find that this person is rude because he's not paying attention. It's a sign of that if you are shaking your head, that means you are paying attention to the conversation. So how this head bobbling or maybe sign language works in India? So if you want to say, okay, so you will say like this. Okay. And if you want to say yes, then you will say yes. And if you want to deny something, you want to refuse something, and you want to say no, then it's no. So this is basic, but there's so many things that can confuse you. So like this, when someone is calling you, it's hey, come here. And if someone wants to confuse you in maybe or may not be, then that person will react like this. Like, I don't know, I can come or maybe not. And when there's some serious conversation is going on and the other person is agree with you, but it's a serious conversation, then his reaction would be like this. Okay, I'm agree with you. And if the other person is very excited and he got to know your secret and he would want to say something like this, okay, I knew it, you would do this. So he will say, okay, I knew it, you would do this. When we listen to music, then there's completely different thing. It depends on beats, how we are going to shake our head. Like it can go like this. It can go like this. And if you are too much into the music, sometimes it can go 360 degree as well, like this, like this. I'm just trying, I'm not good at this. So this shows that we don't have any medical issue, we don't have a spring, but we have flexible cervical. So this is the thing, that's how we talk with the heads. We also talk with our eyebrows. Like if someone is very far away from you, but you two people can see each other, then you will say like this, hey. And when you will do this again, that means how are you? And that person will give you the answer like this, I'm good, I'm fine, everything's fine. So these are some sign languages of India. So we are healthy, but it's an habit. So whenever you visit India, make sure you shake your head like this. This is the easiest way. It can go with many things. So people will not find you rude, otherwise they will find you rude. They will think that you are not paying attention to the conversation. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you love your country and respect all the other countries, then like, share and subscribe Exploring Kutum and make this Kutum a big family. We practice Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that means this entire world is our family. Please share this channel. Thank you so much.